issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dale, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Shawnee, Tecumseh, McLeod, Prague, Pink, Meeker, Earlsboro, Johnson, Dale, Little, Newalla, Bethel Acres, Idlewild, and Centerview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.